Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this exciting episode, we have to sell Buster to fund our ambulance to campervan project. Some lucky person will actually get to have some epic scenery like we've enjoyed, like some of these photos we're sharing with you now. So I thought I would give you a walk around and show you what I've been doing over the last couple of months. I've been bringing Buster up to scratch, repainting everything and fixing all the bits that were wrong with him. This is 12 minutes past 9 in the morning, and already the solar has brought the leisure batteries completely up to full, and because it's got a split charge relay on it, it's also brought up the engine battery to full as well, and it will keep it there whilst the solar is switched on. So if it stood for a couple of weeks, couple of months, it will always start because the battery will be full. So as we enter Buster, you can see that we've freshly painted it, gave it a fresh look, and also we've put in a additional floor and also new carpet. Diesel heater is less than 6 months old and it all works really well and really efficiently. I put this picture in so that you could actually see the new carpet just after it had been laid. So this is how she is now. As you can see, there's a double 240 volt socket with a TV and DVD player actually in it. The gas stove has got an underslung tank. It's still half full. When we bought it from the campervan builder, he supplied the campervan with a full tank of gas, and we still have half a tank left. It has dimmer switches, all LED, and the couch, I normally fold the driver's side seat forward, put a couple of pillows there, and it's like a chaise long couch. Mrs. can be at one end, I'm at the other. Shower, toilet. It's got a new worktop. It's got double 240 volt sockets, place for a fridge, a round sink with tap. And this is the U-shaped lounge. We tended to have this set up as a bed all the time and lounged in the sofa bed that you saw earlier. LED lighting that's completely dimmable, and also a separate LED lighting that's completely dimmable for the shower room stroke toilet with door. And you see me setting up the bed here. It's really quite quick and easy, but of course I haven't got the duvet there, or the pillows, or the sheet, of course. I'm 6'1", I sleep across it with room to spare, no problem at all, and it's over 4 foot wide. So this is the sofa bed with diesel heater underneath. So I will show you how the sofa bed works. Just slide it out. You pull it up until it clicks, and then it goes down, and you just push it back to the wall, and there it is, one double bed. I can sleep I can sleep on this perfectly happily, and I'm 6'1". It sleeps 2 people quite happily. And then you just pick this back up, making sure you pull it away from the wall, and it just gently slides into place. And these pictures are just after I washed the body. It was resprayed with Rhino paint about 1.5 years ago, just before I bought it from the camper van builder. There are videos of how he did the whole camper van build on YouTube. And the boiler, you can either operate the hot water through gas or through electric. So if you're hooked up, you can use the immersion heater. This is the boiler, water pump and accumulator. And these are the batteries, 12 volt fuse box, MPPT solar controller. And this is the gas manifold and the wraparound curtains that really does save an awful lot of heat. Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.